Sydney's a little tired. He's feeling tired. I can tell he's falling asleep on my leg. Hi, William. I could see it in his eyes too. He's very tired. It's cold outside. They spent all day outside. They didn't want it. They like it out there. But he looks tired now. He's a big boy. He's my handsome. He's my big boy. He's very handsome. And there's Gender. There's Gender. And there's Baby Joe eating my bus pass and my ID and my. It's probably gonna ruin it. But he wanted it, so I just gave it to him. I'm gonna go try to rescue my ID. And then there's Cuckooberry, who's. Well, Cuckooberry's strong enough to bite me again. Not. Hi, Anthem, and there's Sydney Cockatoo.